Continue to slowly add the stock until you reach the right consistency. To thicken properly, the sauce must come to a simmer. Here you can see we will still need to add a bit more stock because as we stir, you can see lines left behind in the sauce. Also, when we drizzle the sauce, it momentarily rests on the surface before sinking back into the sauce. Whisk in a bit more stock until you reach this consistency. Here the stock quickly disappears back into the sauce. Cook over low heat, stirring occasionally for about 15 to 30 minutes. This will cook out the starch flavor from the flour. As it simmers, it will also reduce and become thicker. As a result, you may need to add more stock before using to get back to the right consistency.